Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to change your password on Telegram quickly and safely. Whether you've forgotten your old password or just want to update it for better security, this simple guide will walk you through every step. Let's start. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Once you're on the main screen, tap your profile picture in the top left corner. If you don't see your picture, tap the 3 lines icon instead, the one that looks like 3 stacked bars. This opens your main menu. Next, scroll down a bit and go to Settings. This is where you can adjust everything from notifications to privacy options. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Privacy and Security. Tap on it to open more options related to protecting your account. Inside the Privacy and Security menu, find the option that says 2-step verification. This is the feature that allows you to set up or change your password. Tap on it. If you already have a password set, Telegram will ask you to enter your current one first. Type it in carefully to continue. Once you've confirmed that, you'll see an option labeled Change Password. Go ahead and tap it. Now, enter your new password. Make sure it's something strong. Using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols can make it much harder for anyone else to guess. Telegram might ask you to confirm it by typing it again, just to ensure there are no typos. After you've entered your new password, tap Save or Done, depending on your device. Telegram will update your credentials almost instantly, and from then on, you'll need to use your new password whenever 2-step verification is required. And that's it. You've successfully changed your password on Telegram. It's a small step that goes a long way in keeping your chats and personal data secure. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to stay tuned for more quick tutorials designed to help you take control of your digital safety.